In this video, I'm going to show the Domoticz app for Android. When you first start up the app, it'll present you with your dashboard on all the devices you have set up as your favorites you want shown on it. As you can see, I like to see a lot of temperatures, and I like to control a couple things. So right now I could actually turn on the office plant lights. Now, because I actually have that set up on a time-based event to turn on and turn off, it will actually turn off by itself. And then shed is on a similar schedule. That's actually set up to trigger on the temperature sensor that's out in the shed. And the pump, that's actually set up to turn on between 12 noon and 8 p.m. So you'll see those actually turning off as the Domoticz actually takes control and puts things the way they should be. While we're waiting for that, we can go back into other areas. If you click on top left, then we'll do temperature. So these are all just our temperature sensors, temperature or humidity, depending on how you have the sensor set up, like in the shed solar temp and humidity. We could actually see those values graphed. Because I have this fingerprint set up, it asks me every time I get back to the dashboard to re-verify who I am. Now we're back into our dashboard, and now we see all of our switches are back off. Now we could actually see those event listings here. And we could actually turn on and off those events if we want. We can't actually configure the events here. We have to use the web GUI of the Domoticz server to do that at this time. We go into the log, you could actually see all the events that took place so far. So this just gives you an overview of all the events that's happened in the server. Go into weather. Now at this time the pressure, it won't actually produce a graph, so it'll just show you raw variable of it. Utilities. printer, let's say for a month, see the distances I've been printing. Yeah, that doesn't work right now. Switches. See a big list. So this will basically show you a list of every time this sensor is actually checked in to the server. It's a lot of data, so it'll take a little bit of time. Yeah, a lot of time. And basically it'll produce a list just like this, just in time, of all the on-off states throughout the day. So as you can see, I have this checking in and getting a new status of how it should be every minute. And that's all there is to it.